Hey, what's up, guys? So, this is like the 1 billionth time of recording this. Yeah, yep. Come on.
I'm new.
No, you better not lose. Okay.
I'm new.
Well, then how do you have a skip? You get on there right now. I'm gonna stick an umbrella up your bunghole and open it.
That's crazy.
One time I said that and I got VC banned.
Yes, you don't say it again.
I'm gonna stick an umbrella up your butt crack and open it.
Big back, big back.
You're a big back.
Big back. You a big back. I'm gonna report you. Bro.
You look like a big fat rat.
Looks like he was made from the 90s.
Guys, I'm trying to get VC banned. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm not taking it seriously, totally.
Bro,
you smell like butt crack.
No. I'm not new anyway. I'm new.
You smell like, yeah, you smell like a poo-poo head.
Bro,
Match started.
I want to cut my head off. I would do it because I would rather not see.
Oh, I'm using sniper, okay, bro?
I know, but I hate this map because of Deagle users.
True.
Hey, guess what? I hate Deagle. And sometimes I have to use it.
Oh, I just headshot sniped someone. They're coming on the side.
Everybody.
Headshot.
How did I even die? Did somebody snipe?
I headshot sniped, bro.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, you can follow me. No, that's copyright.
Bye. Hey, stop trying to rush. Rush it.
Rushing is bannable, guys.
Bro, I just exploded someone with my sticky bomb. You wanna know what else?
I just got 200 pumped, bro.
Wow.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Teammate, underneath there's a purple guy down there.
And he's stinky and he's poopy and he looks like a big fat rat and I'm gonna stick an umbrella up your butt crack. Your orange rat come out of my butt crack.
Oh, there's two people that want a double team. We're trying to get a triple team. Oh my god, how am I so hard?
Got him?
Two people. I literally I basically double teamed people.
You're an orange rat coming out of my butt crack. I'm gonna stick an umbrella up your butt crack. You look like an orange rat. Oh, they're triple teaming underground. Got him? You're an orange rat calling my butt crack. You look like a big fat idiot. Ooh, what?
Round starting.
They're like little trolls under a village.
Guys, I'm not saying that seriously. I'm just trying to get VC banned. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Headshot.
200.
I see you.
Where is this last person?
Time for? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Got him.
No, I got him.
Well, it gives us both the kill. You're an orange rat crawling out of my butt crack. Oh, I just accidentally used my katana.
On the ground.
Baby girl, you know. Oh gosh. I want to kill these guys, bro. Oh. Headshot.
Oh, I saw the last person on the ground.
Wait, I wanna kill him. Wait, let our teammate kill him.
Oh, me? Arjun is the last person.
I swear I just saw him go in there.
Oh, found him. He's probably just camping on the ground.
Oh, our teammate found him. Yeah, you got on. Let's go. G freaking G's. A rematch.
Alrighty,
Big fat
rematch.
poopy head. You're an orange rap crawler on my butt crack. You look like a big fat umbrella with poop on it. You're a dookie. You're a dookie. You're a smookie. You're a pookie. Ooh, another quest.
Another quest for you.
Brock. Was it? No!
Match starting.
I'm gonna go vroom vroom
Round
and
starting.
keep
I'm gonna go like vim vim kum kum with the shoom shoom and the kun kun.
Why are these people camping?
Dude, they just freaking triple teamed me. Are you serious right now, bro? One shot. Yeah, you guys already got him.
Headshot.
Hey.
Oh, so you wanna beat me?
Arf, arf. I just burned.
That's what you get for trying to quiver team my best friend.
Round starting.
Damn, you guys, this game has whole gun.
Guys, it's I show me. Oh. Call my butt crack. Crawl out of my butt crack. Oh, he's over here.
Oh, the teammate left.
Headshot.
Yay.
Dude, I'm just thinking of songs in my head.
Keep the songs away.
Round starting.
It's gonna be copyright. Hey, don't worry. If it will check if it's copyright or not if I post it.
So all you have to do is kind of like either take out that part or just.
You can't take out unless you cut the video. But I'm not signed into CapCut, so.
What? Bro, I'll get you. Oh my gosh, Kimmy, you got this.
Oh my gosh. Headshot!
Bro, it was already round 2 and their teammate just left. I might be able to. Hey, bro, that was like the quickest win you've ever.
Round starting.
Their teammate already has a 2-win streak.
Yippee. And how much win streak do you have?
No. I'm still at 12. It's like broken for some reason. He's up there. Careful.
Got him.
You know what?
Wait,
Wait, hold on, guys.
we're still winning. I like to look at my nails because we're still winning. Yippee.
Yo, I'm using the most buns skin ever. Oh no! Did I actually buy this skin on? Oh no! Wait, guys, let me kill this guy. Oh.
I got them both.
Oh wait, it grew. It's 13.
Alrighty, I'm joining.
Yo, I swear, if the recording gets corrupted again, I'm gonna be so mad, bro.
Yeah, good. I'm behind you.
Yay! I'm the best player ever!
Oh, there we go.
Guys, I'm the best player ever!
It's okay, bro.
Yeah, I am.
Yes.
Yeah, I am. Is that free?
None.
Is that free?
Okay.
Oh, you like my new SMG? So tough, so tough. Okay.
Where's
I'm
Spider?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I see a page where
Yeah, I see him right there.
There's-
Ahoy, you mateys.
Should we go over there? Alrighty, do the branch canal.
Oh.
Do big arena, Big arena. Yay!
After. It's Barack Obama for the last time.
This is not. It's more
This-
branch canal.
It's Barack Obama. And the
It
Russian.
is not Barack Obama.
2 on it. Oh, he's a newsy spammer. Great. Great, we have a newsy spammer out. Oh
Don't make
my
me whip out the
Uzi
auto
spam.
shotgun. Don't make me whip out the auto shotgun.
And you don't even have to worry about that, bro. You already know what I got.
Alright, you have a plan.
Bop.
Round starting.
Huh?
Who's this?
Oh, guys. After this round, I have to go and eat.
I killed him by the time. Come on, no.
Oh gosh. Come on, win this. Win this.
Headshot.
Let's go!
I'm the go to sniper.
Let's
That's 500 years.
Round starting.
Keep down with 2 OG.
Oh, now you did not just do that.
Gosh, I'm getting triple teamed! My God, I'm getting triple teamed! There's 5 people on me. No, that's it.
No, that's it.
No, you didn't. You guys didn't even want to do this, but that's it. I'm done
That's
with
it.
all you shenanigans.
Round starting.
That's it. That's freaking it. That's done with spamming.
I'm gonna go
Ah! Die, you fatty. Oh, help.
Where's that Uzi scammer? Find the target.
I can't.
My God. The Uzi kills you so quickly. That's why I'm gonna have to target the Uzi scammer.
Guys, we have to
Round
hurry.
starting.
There he is.
Get the freaking easy camera.
Got him!
Alright. Let's go. Come.
My God.
Oh, we're cooked.
This guy just spammed. Stupid. Started pistol 2.0. Hold on, I think I may have a plan. What we do is we double team the 2 people that have easy and leave the last one to our teammate. That's what we
Round
do.
starting.
Okay.
Alright.
Boom. That's one down.
Alright.
Now last
Oh,
person is green.
It's all. Yeah, it's just the Uzi spammer left. Oh gosh.
Oh, how I doing? Let's go. 3 to 4.
I got 2 more. 2 more, and then I have to go.
Round starting.
Bro, I just died.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Oh, wait, I think our teammate's gonna get the other one. Oh. Come on, teammate.
Let's go.
Bro, we are actually cooking.
We're cooking. Guys, lock the freaking. They might be trolling us.
Round starting.
Use the payload on now.
Lock
Oh,
it.
shoot. Oh, I took it to the world.
Oh, help. I'm one shot. I'm one tap.
One tap. Down.
Okay.
Got him.
Okay.
2 more. I think.
Oh my gosh. I'm
Where?
scared for my life.
Got somebody.
Oh my gosh.
Get somebody.
Teammate's getting sprayed.
He's low.
Okay.
Let's go.
Get him. He's so low. Let's go. Like and subscribe, guys. Shout out to Key for winning.